Now you tell me, who finishes a build, sends it, and then says that's good enough? Yeah, I'll wait. Exactly, this Arrma Limitless has already exceeded all of my expectations. But when you got more dollars than cents, you tend to double down on upgrades. So let's get into it. You got the GPMs, M2C, Avery shout out. Don't forget about Hot Racing, Power Hobby, and Scorch, just to name a few. But in today's video, up top we have a Super Timber, Losi DBXLE, Arrma Outcast 8S. Look at that body. And the RC of the hour, Arrma Limitless 8S. For this installment of Upgrades R Us, I need tools. I need good tools. MIP. Because I went to the RAS sale and got myself some hubs and some A-arms. He said, make a video and maybe I'll look at it and like it. So hopefully Raz sees our video and he likes it. We're gonna put all this on this Arrma Limitless. Let's go. The Vitavon kit comes with shims. This came with shims. This angle is for caster. And when caster leans this way, it's positive, and positive means straight. I think this whole front needs to come off so we can access the pins right here, the pins behind here. We take the arms off, take all this stuff off, and then rebuild it. Set these pieces aside. And if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment. We're going to do part 2 in the next video. Tell a friend and tell a friend from a 5-7.